Hello student, today we are going to start the new topic biomolecules. Biomolecules are principal molecules of the living world. Students, see, the bodies of living organism contain large number of different molecules which constitute their structure. They are also part of various physiological processes taking place in them. Primary structural material of organisms are protein and cellulose. What is primary structural materials of organism is protein and cellulose. And by the process of photosynthesis, plant synthesis the carbohydrates. And plant utilize the material absorbed by their roots to produce proteins. And the lipids are the main ingredients of the vegetable oils and milk fats. Another biomolecule is nucleic acid. Nucleic acid constitutes the genetic material of the organism. The biomolecules are carbohydrates, proteins, then fats and oils, nucleic acid, vitamins, minerals. These are the biomolecules. Today we are going to start the biomolecule carbohydrates. What are the carbohydrates? Students, what are the carbohydrates? Carbohydrates are the polyhydroxyaldehydes or ketone. See carefully. Polyhydroxyaldehydes or ketone. That means the compounds which gives rise the many molecules of aldehydes or ketone on hydrolysis are called carbohydrates. These are the two definitions of the carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the polyhydroxyaldehydes or ketones. What are carbohydrates? Carbohydrates are the polyhydroxyaldehydes or ketones, or we may say that compound which gives rise to such units of polyhydroxyaldehydes and ketones are on hydrolysis are called carbohydrates. The example of carbohydrate is glucose, fructose. These are the carbohydrates. Glucose, fructose are sweet in taste. We know that these are sweet in taste. We call them as a sugar. Glucose sugars are known as sugar. Students, the most commonly used sugar is sucrose. Which sugar is most commonly used? Sucrose, which is obtained from cane sugar or sugar beet. The sugar which used in our daily life, which is used in tea. What is this? That is sucrose, that obtained from cane sugar or sugar beet. The sugar present in milk is called lactose. Milk also contains sugar, cane sugar also contains sugar, sugar beet also contains sugar, but the milk has the sugar name as lactose. In Greek word, sugar is saccharum. In Greek word, sugar is called as saccharum. Hence, the carbohydrates are also called as saccharides. This is the logic behind the why carbohydrates are called saccharides, because in Greek word sugar is called saccharum and hence carbohydrates are called saccharides. Origin of the term carbohydrate lies in the finding of that molecular formula of many of them expressed as CX. See here, CX H2O by Y. That means when X molecules, carbon has X molecule, then water molecules are of Y number. They are also called hydrates of carbon. For example, glucose. See, glucose. Glucose has the molecular formula C6H12O6. We also write in the formula as C6, and H2O by 6, or also C6H12O6. Next is sucrose, C12H22O11. We may write C12 and bracket in the bracket water molecule by 11. Next is starch. The formula of starch is C6H10O5. This is a polysaccharide by N, and we may also write C6 in the bracket H2O by 5 and by N. In this way, these are the examples of carbohydrate: glucose, sucrose and starch. Thank you, students. Today in next lecture we are going to study the classification of carbohydrates.